If you're wondering whether the Apple Pencil works with the iPhone 16e, you're not alone. Many people are hoping for Apple Pencil support on iPhones. So let's go over what you need to know. Does the Apple Pencil work with the iPhone 16e? The short answer is no. The Apple Pencil is designed to work with iPads, not iPhones. Even though the iPhone 16 has a USB-C port like some iPads, you still cannot connect an Apple Pencil to it. If you try pairing it through Bluetooth or plugging in the Apple Pencil with an adapter, nothing happens. Question 2. Why doesn't it work? Apple designed the Apple Pencil to work specifically with iPads that have a special display responding to the pencil's pressure and tilt. The iPhone 16e screen does not feature that same technology. So, even though it might seem like it should work, it simply doesn't. Question 3. Alternatives for stylus use. If you really want to use a stylus on your iPhone, you can try third-party styluses that are compatible with touchscreens. Brands like Adonit and Logitech offer styluses that work with the iPhone but lack the Apple Pencil's pressure sensitivity. Still, they can be helpful for note-taking or sketching if you need an essential option. To sum it up, the Apple Pencil is not compatible with the iPhone 16e. If you need a stylus, you must opt for a third-party option. Perhaps in the future, Apple will add official support, but for now, it's an iPad-only feature. I hope this helps.